Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we'll explore the top 5 best outdoor dining table sets on Amazon in 2025. Whether you're upgrading your backyard, setting up a poolside dining area, or creating a relaxing space for family gatherings, these HDPE outdoor sets combine durability, style, and comfort for every home. Check out the links in the description for the latest prices and deals. Let's dive in and find the perfect outdoor dining set for you. Number 1. SERWALL 7-piece outdoor HDPE dining table set. The SERWALL 7-piece HDPE dining table set is a premium all-weather patio dining solution. It includes a rectangular table with an umbrella hole and 6 sturdy chairs, all made from high-density polyethylene. The HDPE material is resistant to fading, cracking, and UV damage, making it perfect for long-term outdoor use. This set comes in a modern gray color that complements any patio or garden design. The SERWALL dining set stands out for its excellent craftsmanship and weather resistance. The table feels solid and heavy enough to stay stable during windy conditions. The chairs are ergonomically designed and comfortable, even without cushions. Maintenance is easy, just rinse with water, and it looks as good as new. Overall, this set feels premium, sturdy, and built to last for years to come. Pros: durable HDPE build, weather resistant. Umbrella hole for shade setup. Easy to clean and maintain. Stylish, modern gray finish. Number 2. ZHUSI Patio Table and Chairs Set, HDPE Outdoor Set. The ZHUSI Patio Dining Set is designed for outdoor comfort and simplicity. Made of HDPE material, this set includes a table with an umbrella hole and 6 chairs suitable for backyard or poolside use. The frame is designed to handle all weather conditions while maintaining a modern, elegant look. This dining set is ideal for anyone looking for durability with a minimalist design. The chairs have a slightly contoured back, providing good support for long outdoor meals or gatherings. It's a great fit for patios or pool areas, and the HDPE construction means no rust, no warping, and no need for repainting. The ZHUSI set offers a great balance between price, comfort, and durability. Pros: all-weather HDPE construction. Elegant and simple design. Easy to assemble. UV and fade resistant. Number 3. HDPE 7-piece outdoor dining set. All-weather, gray. This HDPE 7-piece outdoor dining set is built for long-lasting use in any season. It includes a rectangular table with an umbrella hole and 6 ergonomic chairs, all in a sleek gray tone. The material is recyclable, durable, and resistant to cracking, splintering, and fading. Perfect for gardens, lawns, or poolside setups. This set is one of the most practical on the list. It feels solid, yet lightweight enough to move around when needed. The surface has a smooth, matte finish that adds elegance while resisting stains and moisture. It's perfect for family dinners or weekend parties outdoors. If you're looking for an affordable, durable, and modern-looking set, this one's an easy choice. Pros: eco-friendly HDPE material. Sturdy and stable structure. Weather and UV resistant. Suitable for year-round outdoor use. Number 4. 7-piece all-weather HDPE outdoor patio dining set. Gray. This 7-piece HDPE dining set combines all-weather performance with sleek, modern aesthetics. It includes a sturdy rectangular table with a 2-inch umbrella hole and 6 matching chairs. The material is fade-resistant, waterproof, and built to withstand direct sunlight or heavy rain, perfect for backyards, decks, or garden spaces. The all-weather HDPE design makes the set nearly maintenance-free. The build feels strong and the chairs are comfortable for long outdoor meals. Assembly is straightforward and the table easily accommodates large umbrellas. This set is perfect for anyone who values quality and simplicity for outdoor living. Pros: weatherproof and easy to clean. Simple yet elegant design. Spacious table area. 2-inch umbrella hole adds functionality. Number 5. TenKa 7-piece HDPE outdoor dining set, garden and poolside. The TenKa 7-piece patio furniture set includes a large dining table and 6 ergonomically designed chairs. Built with high-quality HDPE, it resists cracking, fading, and peeling under harsh outdoor conditions. The design fits perfectly in gardens, lawns, or poolside areas, combining comfort with a luxurious look. The table also features an umbrella hole for sunny days. This set is stylish, sturdy, and surprisingly comfortable. It's one of the best-looking HDPE sets for those who want a resort-style feel in their backyard. Assembly is simple, and the table surface has a wood-like texture that adds elegance. It's also easy to clean, requiring only a quick wipe or rinse. Each of these outdoor dining sets brings its own strengths to the table. If you want a high-end, durable option, the SERWALL HDPE dining set is hard to beat. For minimalist design and easy maintenance, go with this ZHUSI patio set. If you prefer a modern, eco-friendly choice, the HDPE 7-piece set is an excellent pick. The all-weather patio set is ideal for those who want a large, durable table, while the TenKa set delivers a luxurious resort-style feel. Check the links in the description for current prices and availability. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more home and outdoor product reviews every week.